as if my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement. Spend my time trying to erase them.